Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change silica gel in a transformer. First, confirm the transformer is completely de-energized and isolated from all power sources. Safety is paramount, so double-check all lockout/tagout procedures. You'll need new, active silica gel, typically blue, and appropriate personal protective equipment. This process ensures the transformer's longevity and efficient operation by preventing moisture contamination of the insulating oil. Now let's prepare for the actual change. The breather assembly, which houses the silica gel, is usually found near the transformer's top. Carefully loosen the clamps or bolts securing the breather. Have your clean, dry container ready to receive the old, saturated gel. Remember to wear your personal protective equipment, including gloves and safety glasses, to protect against dust and potential irritants. With the old gel removed, it's time to install the fresh silica gel. Gently empty the discolored, pinkish gel into your designated container. Take a moment to clean the breather housing, ensuring no residue remains. Then, carefully pour the new, vibrant blue silica gel into the breather, filling it to the recommended level, usually about 2/3 full. This fresh gel will effectively absorb moisture. Finally, reattach the breather assembly to the transformer, ensuring it's securely fastened. Double-check all connections to prevent any air leaks, which could compromise the gel's effectiveness. Once everything is tight, the transformer is ready to resume operation with enhanced moisture protection. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This simple maintenance step significantly extends your transformer's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.